one camera, one light. Watch as I turn this average looking, boring, coy working space into an amazing scene, crispy, short form content. Let's check it out. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna set up the light here. Lighting is gonna be what's super important. I'm gonna be using the R6 super handy. It's got the carrying case. So here's the R6. I really like this light because it comes with a carrying case, which is very handy. And what I'm going to be using that with, I'm going to be using the newer lantern. This is the newer. Clip it onto here. Let's check it out here. All right, we got power, good to go. So next up, I'll set up the camera. I'm going to use the Canon R6 Mark II. And I'm going to put a 24-70 on that. Gonna put the L bracket on there as well. Make sure I got everything in here before I put it on. Okay, gotta set up the L bracket so that I can do short form content. Straight. Go. Get the tripod. Whatever the tripod is. Actually, my BTS camera there. It's actually using the tripod that I want to use because it has a ball head on it, or gear head. This is the ball head. I'm just gonna switch those up. All right, there we go. So now we got the right tripod. Gotta extend it, put it down just a little bit because we want it to be at eye level for a client coming in. Here we go. So we'll have them sit probably like here, so that in the background there, got like a sign, they're a real estate agent, they can put their sign there, and they'll be sitting here, and we'll get all of it here. Do next is just set up the monitor. The monitor is a great way for yourself and for the client to see what they look like, or what the whole scene looks like. Just makes people feel more comfortable. Okay, so I got the camera, I've got the lighting, and next I just need the audio. So for this, we're going to be using the Rode Podmic. And then to get the audio from this guy into this guy, you can't go directly. So I'm going to stay with the XLR cable, and I'm going to set up the RODEcaster. So here's the RODEcaster Pro 2. So the great thing about the RODEcaster is it gives you perfect audio every time. Well, hopefully every time. Majority of the times I've used it. So plug this guy here. Alright, so fire that up. Another good thing I like to do is just have a mirror. Hello. Hello. So you have the mirror here so the client can see themselves. Extension cord, but didn't need it today. And also we just want headphones to monitor this. So all the equipment that I'm using here will be linked in the description below. Put it into number 1. Have a listen here. Just to double check. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Beautiful. Can you hear it? So I'll keep that for me. And then let's just set up the video so that it looks great. So we'll go there. Get out of the way. All right. So I'll have the chair here so that the person will see. And then let's just put that there at eye level so that it looks the best. So I always like to go at about 50 millimeters or so. They say that's like the closest to the human eye. Here. Set it up on the monitor so I can see it a little bit better. So I'll have a recording of what you can see. So this is what it looks like at 50 millimeters. This is what's at 35. 35 actually is not bad, but we'll test it out. Make sure everything's lined up. This would be at 50 millimeters. It's a little close. We'll go 35 for now. All right. So you'll see that the picture looks a little yellow. So I'll show you how to get rid of all that. So first things first, you're gonna pop on the light. And then what we'll do here is we'll turn off the overhead lights. And now the picture is gonna look more closely to what we actually look like. So we want to have the light at about 45-degree angle, boarding down at about 45 degrees. And let's see how everything looks when I'm sitting in the hot seat. So there we go. Yeah, I'll probably zoom this out a little bit. And turn up ISO. So you want like the 3/4 line, so you can't see that. You can see it here. See this line here? That's like breaking it into thirds. You want your eyes to go through that third line. So like right now my eyes are here, third line is up there. So you want to like bring that down so it's like right on the third line there. And I'm gonna zoom it in a bit too. So obviously it'll be a little easier if I'm on the other side. Boom. So now you've seen everything set up. You see the Podmic going into the RODEcaster. You see my R6 Mark II, 50 millimeters, all set up, ready to go. We've got the Amaran 60S light with the newer lantern, and this is how everything looks. So now that you know how to set up a scene for amazing short form content, click in the next video where I show you how to make impactful scripts in just 5 minutes. We'll see you in the next one.